Dang it, Al.
Yeah, like I said, I think it's got to come down.
I'll tap it down once, sir. Go put it on high rates in a minute and let you have fun. There. Hang on, big guy. You're on the high rates now. Whoa. I think it's got in the turn, huh? Guys are wrestle the ball. It's hardly any wind out. It's just a lot of fun to fly. It's pretty, even a basic beginner like myself can fly. We haven't even...
Did you just...
A little rusty. A little rusty, not breezy.
Well, it doesn't sound too bad.
Al, did you just refer to yourself as a beginner?
Yeah.
No, that's not a word I would have used.
That's a beginner? Oh shit, what's that make me? I bring him out, build him a little rusty again, anyway.
Now that was wind.
Was
That was
yeah.
wind that time.
We got pretty good wind right now.
Yeah, there was a little bit of a... Yeah, it's knocking it around pretty good.
We knew what we were doing, we just didn't have the tools.
It's your determination. I was figure it out.
Is it still missing? Right? Gotta be a spark plug.
Yeah. Yeah, the wind is it's really bumpy.
It's too windy for to really have fun.
Yeah, to do anything.
I like that plane. That Tango's nice. Yeah.
He's got a wingspan about like this, and it'll snap full tilt. It'll stand at about 6 feet. Yeah, it's too windy, right?
Yep.
That's the same motor John's got here. Yeah, we don't either. Because I was pushing, plugging, filling, taking out.
I can see there's quite a bit off the table.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right into the wind now. It'll be a son of a gun to bring it in. It won't want to come in. By the time you go slow, then the wind will drop and down she'll come.
Nice.
Good job. Good job. You got out of that quick.
She was coming down quick there all of a sudden.
Can I fatten it up a little or not?
I don't know. I don't know what